How to read tarot cards for yourself in 3 easy steps is the fastest way to go from I'm confused to I actually get what this spread is saying. If you've ever pulled a card and wondered whether you're reading the truth or just your hopes, this guide is for you. When you're new to tarot, reading the cards can feel confusing, and reading for yourself can be even harder. You're trying to remember dozens of tarot cards' meanings, you notice symbols you don't fully understand yet, and your mind keeps asking, am I interpreting this or just guessing what I want to hear? That's normal. Tarot is a language, and at the beginning, it can feel like learning to read all over again. This is why structure matters. Tarot isn't only intuition, it's also a system. The deck has patterns, the suits speak different languages, and the numbers show how an energy evolves. When you learn to read with a simple method, you stop relying on random keywords and start seeing the message in context, what the card is pointing to, what it's warning you about, and what your next step could be. Most people freeze in front of the cards for one simple reason. They think memorizing 78 tarot cards must be hard. And if you try to do it the wrong way, like cramming random keywords into your brain, it is hard. You end up frustrated, second-guessing every pull, and feeling like tarot is only for gifted people. The fastest way to memorize tarot is not brute force, it's structure. When you understand how the deck is built, major versus minor arcana, the 4 suits, numbers 1 to 10, and the court cards, the meanings stop being isolated facts and start becoming a system. Templum Dianae, you'll find clear references for every card, with core keywords organized to support memory and real readings. A lot of people don't get stuck because they don't understand tarot. They get stuck because they choose spreads that are too complex too soon. The simplest way to start is the classic 3-card spread, past, present, future. It gives you structure without overwhelming you, and you can read each card on its own without forcing heavy correlations or overthinking combinations. The biggest mistake most beginners make isn't reading wrong, it's stopping too soon. They do a few spreads, feel uncertain, and quit right before the meanings start to become natural. Tarot is a skill built through repetition, not a test you pass in one weekend. A simple way to accelerate progress is keeping a tarot journal. Write the date, the question, the cards you pulled, and a few lines about what you think they mean. Then come back later and note what actually happened. That feedback loop trains your intuition and your logic at the same time. Keep going, day after day or week after week. Consistency turns tarot from something you try into something you can actually read. If you want to level up faster, a good tarot book is like having a calm mentor on your desk. It gives you structure, deeper meanings, and reliable guidance when a card or combination feels unclear. The Tarot Reading Bible by Templum Dianae is built exactly for this. Practical reading insights, clear keywords, and deeper interpretations you can return to again and again.